In this video, we'll guide you through setting up and customizing your horoscope widget. This powerful widget is designed to provide your visitors with engaging, insightful astrological content while seamlessly blending into your website's design. Let's start by exploring the unique features that make this widget a valuable addition to your platform. Our horoscope predictions are crafted through comprehensive astrological analysis, taking into account precise planetary positions, house placements, and intricate aspect calculations. Each prediction, whether daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, is based on authentic astrological principles and a deep understanding of celestial movements by our team of experienced astrologers. The widget provides predictions for all aspects of life. Visitors can explore personal relationships and life matters, gain insights about their health and well-being, receive professional guidance, understand their emotional landscape, get travel forecasts, and uncover detailed luck predictions. Speaking of luck, this category offers particularly rich features, such as daily guidance about lucky colors, fortunate numbers, and alphabets aligned with their energy. Users can even receive personalized cosmic tips and guidance tailored to their relationship status. By integrating this widget, you offer your visitors authentic astrological insights that are rooted in traditional principles and precise astronomical calculations. Now let's get started with setting up the widget. First, log into your Astrology dashboard by entering your registered email ID and password, then click Sign In. Once logged in, navigate to the Widgets section from the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find all the widget options available to you. Select the Daily Horoscope widget to proceed. After selecting the widget, go to the Integration panel, where you can choose from 3 options: Script Code, Snippet for direct HTML integration, Iframe code snippet for platforms supporting iframes, or WordPress Shortcode for seamless embedding in WordPress pages or posts. Copy and paste the chosen code into your website to integrate the widget. After selecting the widget, you'll enter the Customization panel. This is where you can truly make the widget your own. Begin by creating a new widget setting. Click the Create New Setting button at the top right corner of the page and give your setting a name, such as Setting 1. So you can easily identify it later. If you've already created a widget and want to modify it, select it from the Choose Your Setting drop-down menu. Click Edit Setting and adjust the customization options to suit your needs. In the Customization panel, you can modify the widget's appearance to match your website's branding. Choose from a variety of pre-designed color schemes, such as Brute, Metallic, Evergreen, Burgundy, or Serenity. Each scheme is thoughtfully created to offer a unique look, but you can also fine-tune the colors by adjusting the primary and secondary tones. These changes will update in real time, allowing you to preview the design instantly. Next, let's move on to fonts. Choose from a selection of professional fonts like Cormorant Garamond for an elegant and traditional feel, Montserrat for a bold and modern look, or Sen for a clean and minimalistic design. You can also use your website's default font to ensure seamless integration. As you select a font, the widget text updates automatically in the preview section so you can see how it looks. Now, personalize your widget by editing the heading and subheading fields. For example, you could use a heading like Horoscope, Daily, Weekly, Monthly, and Yearly Predictions, and a subheading such as Horoscopes provide daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly astrological predictions, helping you understand the influences of planets on your life. These fields allow you to convey your message clearly and attractively. Begin by setting a default Zodiac sign to display when visitors first see the widget. Popular choices like Aries or Taurus can capture immediate attention and encourage engagement. Next, customize the width of the widget by selecting options like small, medium, or large, ensuring that it fits seamlessly into your website's design and layout. After that, choose the horoscope layout that best suits your needs. For instance, you can opt for a single icon layout to showcase one zodiac sign at a time, a grid layout for all signs, or a dynamic carousel layout for scrolling interactions. Tailor these settings to match your website's theme and improve user interaction. Now, you can also customize the horoscope icon style. Simply click the drop-down menu under Horoscope Icon Style in the Settings panel and select your preferred style from the available options. As you make a selection, the changes will automatically update in the widget preview, allowing you to see how it looks in real time. Next, adjust the tab positions for categories like daily, weekly, or monthly horoscopes. Use the drop-down menu to choose a position, whether it's at the top, middle, or bottom of the widget. This gives you complete flexibility to ensure the widget aligns perfectly with your website layout. Similarly, you can manage where category tabs, such as personal, health, or profession, appear by selecting their position in the settings panel. Additionally, you have the option to enable or disable category icons with a simple toggle switch, adding another layer of customization. You can further personalize the widget by choosing a category icon style. Select from multiple styles such as V1, V2, or V3, each offering a unique design for the category icons. This allows you to match the widget's look to your website's theme and provide a consistent visual experience. For the final touch, you can also customize the shape of category buttons. Choose between rectangle or square to match the overall design aesthetic of your site. These customization options ensure that your widget is not only functional, but also visually appealing and engaging for your visitors. Before finalizing your widget, use the preview feature to ensure it looks great across all devices. Switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to verify that the fonts, colors, and layouts remain consistent and visually appealing. This step is crucial to delivering a seamless experience for your visitors. Once you're satisfied with all the customizations, click Save at the bottom of the panel. Copy the generated code and paste it into your website's backend. Save your changes there as well, and your Horoscope widget is now live. Congratulations! Your customized Horoscope widget is ready to engage your visitors with authentic predictions and insights. This feature is a fantastic way to keep users returning to your website and exploring its content further. For additional assistance, check out our help articles or contact our support team. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.